My name is Bob Bushman, and I am one of the founders of Iterative Chaos. We're working to make it easier for people to find their voice and express themselves with tools like Midjourney. We have a new way to write your prompts that we think you'll like, and you can start using it right away, whether you use our Discord server or not. 6 weeks ago, we first thought about helping people make better prompts for Midjourney. We got to work rather feverishly and came up with a bot that does some really fun things and generated some great images of our own. I was so happy with the results that I wrote a jigsaw puzzle app in JavaScript so I could make puzzles for my friends and family from my images. If you come to our server, you can put your images in the same app. My brother was testing our bot, whose main command is /think, and he fed it the prompt /think WPA style poster beware of monsters. The Iterative Chaos bot suggested a prompt that wasn't very satisfying. It produced the images on the left. Midjourney, all by itself, is capable of doing better, as you can see on the right. I wanted to see what we had to do better. Recently, I've been working on the next service Iterative Chaos will publish. For that project, I came up with an enhancement in how I send messages to ChatGPT. When I started on the WPA monsters problem, I gave that same trick a try with Midjourney, and it worked great. It's nothing too fancy. I'm just using JSON to structure the message. But I haven't seen anyone else doing it yet, so I thought I would share. Now, I'm not saying Midjourney understands JSON. In fact, I removed all the JSON syntax and the results were effectively the same. But what it does do is it helps me see the changes I've made as I'm testing different prompts. I hope it can help you too. I love French Impressionism, and I love what Midjourney does to try to emulate it. One of my favorite test prompts for our bot is farm cottage at sunset. And it always makes me smile when our bot generates impressionist prompts, especially if they're watercolor. So to get my baseline here, I used JSON prompting to have Midjourney create a watercolor impressionist image of a farm cottage at sunset. Midjourney does really well at this, and it makes a great challenge to test our bot against. To use our bot, you send a command in the form /think farm cottage at sunset, or whatever subject you're interested in. It will respond with a rack of buttons that give a hint of what kind of image they will produce. When you click a button, you get a Midjourney prompt you can copy and paste into chat to generate your image. Here are some examples of what you get when you join the Iterative Chaos Discord server. We can help you try a wider range of images to explore the visual space, even if you don't feel confident expressing your artistic taste in words. What you see here is just an example. Our Discord bot can generate loads of different prompts from simple inputs, and we're testing new approaches all the time. Our bot covers a wide range of artistic styles and expands on your core topic to explore the space around your theme. We hope you'll come visit our server and create some images with us. You can also make puzzles from your images or go play with some of the puzzles that have already been created. The range that our bot explores is, we think, considerably broader than what most folks can easily do working directly with Midjourney. The folks at Midjourney have created an extraordinary tool. We want to make it even easier to show people what you're feeling and share the joy and sorrow that you see in the world. As it happens, we're actually ML folks too, which is what got us interested in Midjourney in the first place. But once we started using it, we loved it so much that we wanted to make it more approachable rather than getting in an arms race trying to create a competitor. Come and visit us on our Discord channel using the link below. We'd love to help you explore new ways to use Midjourney, and we have other new innovations in the pipeline that we think you're really going to enjoy. Thank you.